Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about data writing and its modes. Okay, so firstly, what is meant by data writing? So far we have extracted the data, read the data and transformed it. So finally we need to load into the destination servers, destination tables. So then the data analyst or data scientist, they will use this data for data visualization or further analysis. Okay, like machine learning, or you can say deep learning, or some any other things, like they will explore more into the data again. So this is about data writing. So if you see, like in currently we are using Databricks, right? So in Databricks we have Azure Data Lake is the final destination server. You can say data warehouse. Azure Data Lake is a data warehouse where we can load data. Okay, that data will be further used by the data analyst or data scientist. Okay, similarly in AWS we are having S3 buckets. So now we have this data. Let's write this data into the file. Okay, so I'm just running this. We are having this data. So let's see how we can write this. Okay, so df dot write dot format. Here I am mentioning the format, that is I just want to use the format CSV. Okay, so here I am getting some intelligence, so I'm just accepting it. So like just assume this is the path we are going to uh, we are going to create a new file here. This is the path. Till here it's a path. Then in so I just want to write this file name again. Okay, a file is already available here. Again we are going to write it. We are going to create a new file again. So dsv df.write.format csv, and you can say option dot foo dot save. Okay, fine. So if you run this, you will get an error because this file is already available. So path this already exists. So let's delete this table firstly. I'm just deleting this data, this file. So now we don't have that file. So now we can run this again. Okay. So let's run this. So it is successfully run, and just refresh this. We could see that file again. This is about writing the data into a CSV file. Okay, now we are having this. So we can write this also in many ways. I will show you one more sample. Anyway, this option is a optional one. So we can use this as well. Okay, or else we can write path dot save. We can use this as well. Okay, so let's run this. Now we will get error because this is already available, right? Okay, so already exist. So here we need to write option, and inside that we need to define the parameter. Here it is path. So it is saying this is file is already available. Let's delete this. Now just run this again. Now we are able to see this script is ran successfully. So now we could see this file again here. So this is about data writing. Now let's move into the modes. How many different types of modes we are having, and each mode explanation. Okay, so now we could see this file. So the first one is append, and then we are having overwrite, then error, then ignore. Four types of modes we are having here. So firstly discuss one by one. Let's go for append now. Now here this file is already available. Okay, so now this file is already available, and if I want to create again the same file, means a new file with the same name again, so it won't create that new file. The old file, it will remain the same, and new file won't get created. Let's see this. Okay, it ran successfully, but no new file will be created. The old file will be remained here same. So no losing of data here. Then if you go for the next one, that is overwrite. What happens now? This file is already available. So when you use the mode as overwrite, the old file gets deleted and it will be replaced with the new file. So here the losing of data is happens. So we need to be very careful while using this override. Okay. Now let's run this. So this is also ran successfully. So now what happens here? The old file gets deleted and the new file gets created again. This is about override. Okay. Now let's add one more cell and use the mode as error. So here the file is available now with this name. So now we are trying to create one more file with the same name. Then this error mode will throws an error if this file is already available. Let's see. See, we are getting this error, right? So that's how, like so it is asking us to use overwrite instead of this error or append. Okay, that's what usage of error. Now let's add one more cell and use ignore. What happens when we use ignore? So when we use ignore, this file is already available and we are trying to create again new file with the same name. Then this ignore, what it will do, it will just ignore this script. Okay, and it won't throw any error or nothing, just it will be running successfully. That's it. No new file gets created, the old file remains same. So this ran successfully, and here the old file only it will be available, no new file gets created. So this is about ignore. So this is about data writing and its modes. uh, okay, so about data writing and its modes. Okay, thanks for watching that.